Hey, what is up with you intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today, before the market even opens, you already know we are going to be having a update about MMAT, okay? As you can see, Matirials, as we already said that, but Matirials is sitting at right around 411. Well, let me just correct some things up for you guys real quick for you, okay? 14, so I think that you can see the numbers right here, right now, okay? 411, this is where it closed on Friday, okay? So, Monday, like every single Monday, I mean, hopefully the stock could push to the upside. But today I am going to be talking about some things about the naked shares trapped, about the um the synthetic naked shorts are trapped about the MMAT. Okay, that's what I really want to talk about. Also, we'll be talking about the predictions and the technical analysis that you see right here on the chart, and why do I think that this could happen. And also, I will be taking, we're going to be taking a look at the German markets right there and something that Meta announced. Okay, so first of all, let's just see right here that I saw a pretty beautiful picture out there on the internet. Okay, they say Meta. Okay, Metaverse. As we approach the new week, remember that we are on a battleground. Okay, and the victory will not come. It will not come easy as hell. So hedge funds are desperate, but they are not out of aim. Okay, yet momentum has been on our side just lately. As you can see, if you go to the daily chart, this is how it looks like. Okay, so momentum has been on our side lately, and for that reason more people have taken the time to look into our beautiful company. Okay, both long-term investors and short-term sellers. Okay, be ready for whatever may come in the next week trading sessions. Okay, in the next trading sessions next week, and check your emotions at the door because they will. Okay, that's the picture that I saw. Also, I saw something that this week is pretty good for MMAT, because on the German side, MMAT is sitting at 4.17 euros at the moment, and the German market is open. Okay, and if you go right here, this is on dollars. So if you go euro, okay, you will basically see that it is sitting at 351. So like, could we see a raise of right around 470? Okay, find the 470 mark. So 470 is right around like 34 to 35% above the today, like above the price that we are sitting at right now. Okay, so that's like I mean, I could say that we could see a pretty good push to the upside. I will not lie about that. Okay, but I think that we're about to kind of retest these areas right here and then push to the upside. But enough talking about the technical analysis, because I will be talking kind of at the end of the video. So make sure to keep on watching it. Okay, so the synthetic naked shorts are trapped, and naked shorts from the TRCH got trapped when MMAT finalized the merger on a Friday after hours. Okay, typically synthetic naked shorts would just move over the new ticker, but George Palikaras, or the CEO, trapped with them by issuing a preferred share. The synthetic shares or and the FTDs need to prove cover their positions to deliver the shareholders their dividend, and they said that the dividend will be delivered no longer than the 31st of December 2021. Okay, this is the last date. So this is not a like check where was I? So it is not a immediate cash dividend. It is a preferred share issued as a placeholder to pay out when land is sold by December 2021. So to top it all off, George issued a reverse stock split to make sure the synthetic naked shorts had to cover double the amount due to being naked and never transitioning to the new MMAT ticker. Okay, this is all planned out by George. I absolutely think that George is a genius. Okay, and the risk versus the reward has been carefully analyzed. MMAT or Metamaterials received a brand new QSIP number or SIC number. Okay, so this did not stop the genuine shorts from cover their shares and moving over the new MMAT ticker and shorting the stock once again. The due diligence is everywhere if you go beyond with your research. Okay, if we can break new all-time high, we can put these shorts out of the money and really hurt their wallets. Merger is going to be busy the next couple of days. Okay, there was something about after the merger came out. This is the information that I'm reading you right now. For those of you who don't know, and how is the situation going on right now. Okay, that's about that. The thing that I really want to talk about something else was let me just find it for you guys. So You know how a lot of the people have a lot of shares of MMAT. For example, you this on the daily chart. Okay, so I know a lot of people didn't manage to get in. So for example, you have like $10 average because you didn't manage to get in right here. So you have a $10 average, and then you kind of did manage to push back up. And overall, you have a $10 average to be exact, nine like 1001. Okay, so you, for example, if you're gonna scale that right now at the moment, like you are down 58%. So like if you have more money, make sure to average down right now, okay, and buy on the way up if you can. It is still below your average. Make sure to do that if you're feeling free. But this is not a stock for a short-term pleasure or something like that, okay? This is a organic stock, and I think that the organic growth will fucking I don't want to cuss, but I think that the organic growth will push the stock to the upside, and it can continue to kind of push and push to the upside. But you know that the MMET investors are more kind of right now precise about the short squeeze, which is a great thing. I mean, to be honest, a lot of people did manage to get into MMET about the short squeeze, but it is what it is with that. Okay, so just keep in mind that this has a this could be a and this is a growth stock. Okay, so treat it like a growth stock, and yeah, like that's it. These are my words about it. So as you see, I have a technical analysis right here. First of all, I had a technical analysis. Um, I always have a technical analysis. So I had a Fibonacci from here to there, and I had kind of these levels marked up right here. As you can see, high volatile areas, which were not touched. We did manage to kind of bounce off of the 382 Fibonacci. It's kind of messy, I know, but we're going to be deleting that. And I have a new Fibonacci from this low to this high, okay? As you see, this low, higher low to this higher high. And I think that I can catch this move at 618, or like could this like really happen again? So we can bounce off of the 382, which I think that could happen. Okay, but I really think that I genuinely think that we could kind of push to the downside before we kind of continue to push to the upside. Okay, that's my prediction about that. As you can see for the whole day, if we have not seen this huge of a wick to the downside, the upside of wick, we could have seen the candle to really kind of push around this whole candle was 25% to the upside, which is a great thing. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of the analysis. If you like know what I mean, or like at the moment, okay, that's my prediction, and what are my thoughts about it. Let me know what are the thoughts about it, because I really want to hear like what do you think about MMAT. Are you here for kind of a 100% gain, and then kind of you piece out of the stock? I know a lot of people did manage to kind of get in right there. See how like the stock kind of make the double bottom and then push to the upside, which is a pretty good thing. Okay, so yeah, let me know what are the thoughts about this, guys. Peace out. Consider liking and subscribing, because I do a lot of videos like this every single day. So like turn on the bell if you want. So it is always up to you. So peace out again. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and chill out. That's it.